Hello, this video for Etsy sellers and those who wish to sell on Etsy. You all know, Etsy is a great marketplace for individual sellers. Using this method, you may able to increase your orders and get high revenue using free traffic from Facebook and Instagram. You may able to import the product to your Facebook and Instagram shops and also promote using FB ads. First, you have to verify your shop domain on your Facebook Business Manager account. For this verification, you should have a Facebook page and a Business Manager account. Don't worry if you have not an account right now, you can simply create it in few steps. Please check the description, I will provide the URL for the business ownership verification page of the Business Manager account. After clicking it, you will get this screen. Click the Add button and enter your shop domain. In this entry, you should follow a particular format. I will indicate it in the article. Go back to your shop page and get the shop name correctly. Copy only the shop name, not the whole URL. Follow this format, enter your shop name, and after that type .sd.com. Click the Add Domain button to add it. You will see different verification methods. Select Meta Tag Verification. Copy only the content code and go back to your Etsy seller dashboard. Click the Setting tab and select Facebook Shops. Enter the copied code here and confirm it. Now it is set, go back to your Facebook Business Manager. Click the Verify button. Now your shop is verified on the Facebook and Instagram platforms. You can add products manually in the Facebook catalog. Let's see how to add a product to your Facebook shop using your Etsy domain. Go to your Facebook page and select Manage Shop. Then go to the Commerce Manager. You can also directly go to the Commerce Manager. To add a new item to your shop, expand the Catalog tab and select Items. After that, click the Add Item button and select the Add One Item option. In this pop-up window, you have to fill in basic and advanced product details. First, add few images of your product. After adding images, you can copy and paste the product title and other details of the product from the Etsy listing. This is an important part. You should follow this URL format when you add the product page link. Copy your product ID from the URL. First, enter your shop URL that is verified earlier. At the latter part, you have to enter listing your Etsy product ID. After that, you can proceed to enter product price, condition, band, and other optional details. Select a product category that matches your item. You can type the product name, then it shows the suggestions for your product. Make sure you on both availability and visibility options. Here fill in the relevant details about your product. This field is vary according to the product category that you selected before. In this field, you can add different varieties of the product. I am not going to add it, so I click the Save Item button. Now it is saved to the Facebook page catalog. You can check the catalog list. Let's see how this works. Go to the shop section of your Facebook page. You will see the product here. If not, you have to build the shop in the Commerce Manager. This is the newly added item. When customers click the View on Website button on the Facebook or Instagram page, they will redirect to your Etsy product page. You can use this method to promote your Etsy product on your page. When you post something, image or video clip, you can tag this product directly. If you wish to run Facebook ads, this is also very helpful. Hope you enjoy this video. Like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching MineX.